Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we're embarking on a practical guide to help you navigate the decision-making process wisely. How to wisely choose lubrication systems, a practical guide for machinery maintenance. Lubrication systems play a crucial role in the smooth operation and longevity of machinery and equipment. Selecting the right lubrication system can be a challenging task, especially with the wide range of options available in the market. In this video, we will delve into the essential factors to consider when choosing lubrication systems, guiding you through the process of making informed and wise decisions for your specific needs. Whether you are in the manufacturing, automotive, or industrial sector, understanding the value of an appropriate lubrication system is paramount to ensuring optimal performance and minimizing maintenance costs. By tailoring the information to your needs, you will gain valuable insights into the selection process, empowering you to make well-informed choices that align with your operational requirements. Understanding the importance of lubrication systems. Proper lubrication plays a critical role in ensuring the smooth functioning and durability of machinery. Without adequate lubrication, components within the machinery experience increased friction, heat, and wear, leading to a cascade of issues that hamper overall performance and longevity. The role of lubrication systems in machinery. Lubrication systems are the unsung heroes that keep machinery operating at peak efficiency. By providing a protective barrier between moving parts, lubricants minimize wear and tear, reduce friction, and dissipate heat. This not only enhances the performance of the machinery but also extends its lifespan. Common challenges without proper lubrication. Without proper lubrication, machinery is vulnerable to a host of issues. Increased friction can lead to excessive heat generation, causing components to warp or seize. Furthermore, the absence of lubrication can accelerate wear and tear, leading to premature component failure and costly repairs. Additionally, it can result in decreased energy efficiency and overall performance. Proper understanding of lubrication systems and their significance is pivotal in maintaining the health and productivity of machinery. It is essential to address the challenges that arise in the absence of adequate lubrication to ensure the smooth operation and longevity of industrial equipment. In summary, lubrication systems are vital for maintaining machinery performance and preventing potential issues associated with inadequate lubrication. By acknowledging their significance, businesses can effectively safeguard their assets and optimize operational efficiency. Types of lubrication systems. Grease lubrication systems. Grease lubrication systems are composed of grease, a thickened lubricating oil, and a delivery system. The thick consistency of grease allows it to adhere to surfaces and provide long-lasting lubrication. Common components of grease lubrication systems include grease guns, fittings, and grease nipples. These systems are ideal for applications where continuous lubrication is necessary, such as in bearings, gears, and chains. If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and share with friends who might like this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Oil lubrication systems. Oil lubrication systems utilize lubricating oil to reduce friction and wear between moving parts. These systems consist of an oil reservoir, pump, tubing, and dispensing nozzles. Oil lubrication systems are preferred for high-speed applications and heavy machinery due to their efficient cooling and cleaning properties. They are commonly used in industries such as manufacturing, automotive, and aerospace for their ability to deliver precise lubrication to critical components. Air and gas lubrication systems. Air and gas lubrication systems operate by delivering a mixture of air or gas and a fine lubricating oil mist to the machinery's moving parts. These systems offer several advantages, including reduced friction, improved heat dissipation, and minimal maintenance requirements. They are particularly beneficial for high-speed and high-temperature applications, such as in turbine engines, compressors, and specialized industrial equipment. By understanding the distinctive features of grease, oil, and air and gas lubrication systems, you can make informed decisions to ensure the optimal performance and longevity of your machinery. Each type offers specific benefits and is tailored to suit particular operational requirements, making it crucial to select the most suitable lubrication system for your application. Key considerations for selecting lubrication systems. When selecting lubrication systems, various key factors need to be carefully considered to ensure optimal performance and longevity. The following subsections delve into the crucial considerations that play a pivotal role in the decision-making process. Operating conditions and environmental factors. The choice of lubrication systems is significantly influenced by the operating conditions and environmental factors surrounding the machinery. Factors such as temperature variations, exposure to contaminants, and the presence of moisture can impact the effectiveness of lubrication systems. High-temperature environments may necessitate the selection of lubricants with higher thermal stability, while exposure to moisture and contaminants may call for sealed or specialized lubrication systems to maintain equipment integrity. Equipment specifications and requirements. Aligning lubrication system selection with the specific specifications and requirements of the machinery is paramount. Each piece of equipment may have unique demands, such as varying operating speeds, load capacities, and exposure to different stressor. Understanding the precise needs of the equipment allows for the selection of a lubrication system that optimally caters to these requirements, thereby enhancing overall operational efficiency and extending the lifespan of the machinery. Maintenance and reliability. Maintenance and reliability considerations play a crucial role in the decision-making process for lubrication systems. The ease of maintenance, reliability of the chosen lubrication system, and its impact on the overall equipment reliability are essential factors to evaluate. Opting for a lubrication system that simplifies maintenance procedures and enhances equipment reliability can result in reduced downtime, lower maintenance costs, and increased productivity. By carefully considering these key aspects when selecting lubrication systems, businesses can ensure the longevity, efficiency, and performance of their machinery, contributing to overall operational success and cost-effectiveness. Best practices for evaluating lubrication system options. When evaluating lubrication system options for your machinery, it's crucial to implement best practices to ensure optimal performance, cost-effectiveness, and compatibility. Here are the key factors to consider: performance testing and validation. Performance testing and validation play a critical role in the evaluation of lubrication system options. By conducting rigorous performance tests, you can ascertain the effectiveness of each system in real-world conditions. This allows you to identify which system delivers the best lubrication performance, ensuring smooth machinery operation and longevity. Without proper testing and validation, the selected system may not perform optimally, leading to potential issues in the long run. Cost-effectiveness and long-term benefits. Assessing the cost-effectiveness and long-term benefits of each lubrication system option is essential for making informed decisions. While upfront costs are significant, it's equally crucial to evaluate the long-term savings, such as reduced maintenance, extended machinery lifespan and minimized downtime. Understanding the comprehensive cost and benefits analysis helps in selecting a lubrication system that provides the best value over its operational lifespan. Compatibility and integration. Considering the compatibility and integration aspects of lubrication system options with specific machinery is paramount. A system that seamlessly integrates with your existing equipment minimizes the risk of operational disruptions and ensures optimal performance. Compatibility also extends to the type of lubricants used, as they must align with the machinery's requirements to prevent potential damages. By prioritizing compatibility and integration, you can effectively choose a lubrication system that enhances machinery functionality without causing any compatibility-related complications. By rigorously evaluating performance, long-term benefits, and compatibility, you can make informed decisions when selecting lubrication system options, ensuring optimal machinery performance and longevity. The selection of lubrication systems is a critical aspect of machinery maintenance. By understanding the various types of lubrication systems and the specific requirements of your machinery, you can make informed decisions that will positively impact performance and longevity. Always prioritize the compatibility of the lubrication system with the machinery and the overall maintenance strategy. Importance of informed decision-making. In the world of machinery maintenance, the significance of informed decision-making cannot be overstated. When selecting a lubrication system, the choice directly influences the efficiency, durability, and reliability of the machinery. An informed decision takes into account factors such as the operating conditions, temperature variations, pressure levels, and the specific lubrication needs of the machinery. Key takeaways. Understanding the unique needs of the machinery is crucial for selecting the appropriate lubrication system. Consider factors such as temperature, pressure, and operating conditions when making a selection. Informed decision-making ensures that the lubrication system contributes to the optimal performance and longevity of the machinery. As we wrap up this practical guide on choosing lubrication systems, we trust you're now equipped with the knowledge to make savvy decisions in machinery maintenance. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.